Michigan, and specifically Metro Detroit, has become a hotspot for real estate investors looking to acquire long-term rentals. Now we have this deal pulled up right here, and we're going to run the numbers on this and figure out why. Now here we have the property photos pulled up. Looking through, you can see that the property is generally in good condition except for the flooring, so we're going to set aside $3 to $4 grand to fix that up. Now we're going to put in the property details into our rental analyzer. You can use whatever spreadsheet or software that you're comfortable with, but today we're going to use MichiganRentalAnalyzer.com. On this page, we're going to put in our purchase and financing details. On this page, we're going to put in our costs and income. This tool specifically pulls up comps based on the property's address, so we're going to go with the suggested rent given to us here. Here are our OpEx costs. We're going to put in property taxes based off of this property tax estimator here, and then property management will be 10%, maintenance and CapEx will be 5% each for rent. So now we got the analysis page pulled up. Here you can see the key metrics for year one. We're projected to get $164 a month in cash flow for this property the first year, and then this cash on cash return and cap rate. If you scroll down here, we have a bunch of tables that show how this property is projected to perform over the next 30 years. So you can see how your cash flow will change over the course of 30 years, and most importantly, your ROI. So cash flow here is just icing on the cake, but look at your return from appreciation, debt paydown, and tax savings combined. This comes out to over 30% a year over the 30 years you own this property. If you scroll down here, you can also see the sale analysis. So when you're projected to break even and when you can sell the property for a gain. And you can see how this is projected to increase a ton over the course of owning this property. Down here, you can compare this to the S&P 500 and see how this property performs if you were to take your purchase cost and just throw it in the stock market instead.